Today we will address the Bachelor Degree Exam from 2021 in Computer Science, the operating system, subject A, which says establish the truth value of the statements below regarding the command given. Justify your answer. So we have here a grep command, as you can see it on the screen. And in order to explain it, we have to do the anatomy of the grep command. So we have the name of the command, then we have two options, and then we have something which is represented as a regular expression, which is sought after in the content of the file a.txt. So what grep actually does, usually it returns the lines where it finds something that it's searching for. So what it is searching for is that regular expression. So let's see what the manual of the grep command says. You can see here that the manual says print lines that match patterns. And we have here, if you are going down the options, and what options we are interested in are the capital E option, which means interpret patterns as extended regular expression. And when we go further down, we have -I, which means ignore case distinctions in patterns and input data so that characters that differ only in case match each other. And as we go further down, we can see here that there are three different versions of regular expression syntax: the basic, the extended, and the Perl. And we are dealing with the extended, and it states here that basic versus extended regular expressions. In basic regular expression, the meta characters lose their special meaning, instead use the backslash version. So in basic regular expression, the question mark, the plus, the curly brackets, the connecting alternatives or grouping and selecting part of the regular expression, those are all avoided. And in extended regular expression, those are not avoided. So that's why we have simple curly brackets in our example. But as I saw earlier, and it was impressive to me, is that part of the regular expression are explained here. For instance, the square brackets structure in the regular expression substitutes matches only one single character, but that character can be one of the ones specified between the square brackets, or it can be one of an interval, or there are some more advanced forms like these ones. And here we have the caret and the $sign, which are meta characters. And this one, if it's at the beginning of the regular expression, it matches the beginning of the line, and this one matches the end of the line. And here we have the repetition, so every regular expression that is before one of those, they are repeated 0 or 1 time, here 0 or more times, here 1 or more times, exactly n times, at least n times, at most m times, and between n and m times. With what we know from the manual and having the first slide which explains the regular expression, we can now decipher our regular expression. So as you can see, everything is between the caret and $sign, the two meta characters that are the two entries in our table on the slide. So that means that this regular expression has to match the entire line. Then we have a square brackets form which matches one single character, which in our case is a vowel. And that vowel repeats 2 or 3 times. And then we have dot star, which is a sequence from 0 to any length, which is greedy, which will stretch as much as it is possible. And at the end of the line, we have another square bracket, and that caret inside the square bracket means that whatever it's after it is negated. So any character which is not a digit. So that's the meaning of our regular expression. Now, if you are taking a look at our requirements, the first one is false because the grep will not output only the line which starts with A, with the letter A, be it the small letter or the capital, but also the lines which start with E, I, O, and U. The second statement is true because that regular expression requires to have at least 3 characters. So we have at least 2 vowels at the beginning of the line and at least 1 other character at the end of the line, which is 1 character which is different from a digit. So hope that helped. Bye.